Taiba, borrowed funds, lease financing. Anybody? Lease financing. Turn on your cameras, everyone. Otherwise, immediately I will remove all of you, one by one. Keep your cameras on. Mahima, Prince, Isika. Keep your cameras on. Yes, Mahima. Lease financing. Who is a lessor? Who is a lessee? Isika, turn your camera on.
Sir, I was
Yes.
sir, I was yesterday.
Priya.
Sir, don't.
Today we shall study about debentures. Company chooses the option of debentures, issuing debentures for general public to raise long-term finances. Long-term finances. Whenever company is in need of long-term finance for over period of more than 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, then issuing debentures is the best option. Issuing of debentures is the best option when company wants finance for a long period of time. Okay? When company is in need of long-term finance, this is the best option of issuing debentures. Debentures are long-term borrowing or loan for the firm on which a fixed rate of interest, is provided to the debenture holders. Fixed rate of interest is provided to the debenture holders. Debenture holders are actually the lenders of the money. Lenders of the money. They are the creditors. They are the creditors. Debenture holders are creditors. Or the lenders of the money. They are the ones who invest money in the business. You can call them investors also. They are the lenders also. They are the creditors of the firm also. Those who have provided money to the company, and in return they get interest. The interest rate provided on the money, their money is more than the bank rate of interest. That is why they invest in this. Interest is given to the debenture holders yearly. Every year, interest is provided to them, and after the period of the loan is over, term is over, the money is returned back to them by the company. So it is a good source of finance. It is a long-term source of finance. Whenever loans are required for a longer period of time, debenture or bonds are issued by the firm and public purchases those debentures and invest money, and they get return in the form of interest. Interest is provided by the firm to these debenture holders. Debenture holders are not the owners of the firm. They have only provided money to the firm, and they are the creditors of the firm, or you can say they are the lenders of money to the firm. So let us discuss about the merits of debentures, issuing debentures, merits of issuing debentures for the firm or the company. Number one, it is suitable for safe investors, those who want to invest their money in safe, they want safety of return. Debentures issued by company, they are safe, and interest is provided on debentures on yearly basis. So those who are cautious investors, they invest money in this type of schemes. Number two, from the company's point of view, from the company's side, company does not lose any control. There is no loss of control. There is no loss of control by the firm, because debenture holders have no right over the assets of the firm. Debenture holders, they don't have any voting rights also. Debenture holders do not interfere in the business activities. They cannot take part in business activities. They cannot, inspect the books of account. Debenture holders are only the lenders of money, and they are provided with the interest per year and nothing else. Like shareholders, they are not the owners of the firm. They cannot intervene in any activities of the firm. They cannot inspect the books of the firm. They cannot give any sort of suggestion or any sort of initiative. They cannot take, because they do not have any right over business, and they do not have any voting right also. No voting right. There is no voting right also given to the debenture holders. Tax benefit is there. Tax benefit is there for the company. How? The interest paid by the company on debentures is exempted from income tax. Is exempted from income tax. Therefore, company saves money. Therefore, the company is exempted from paying tax on that particular amount which is paid as interest to the debenture holders. Once again, now all the points will be repeated. Turn on the cameras. Repeat the points. Ansika Bhatia. Ravi, keep your camera on. Turn your cameras on. Okay. Jasanjeet. Ansika Bhatia, how long you will take? Whatever points I have told you just now, repeat them.
Sir, it is suitable for income tax exempted.
Yes, number one. Anjali, turn the camera on. I am removing you from the class. Yes, Priya, the points which I have told just now. Jasanjit,
Financial saves.
Arjun.
Sir, debenture holder have no right in the company vote meeting.
Yes, because debenture holders are not the owners of the company. In the board's meeting, in the general meeting, only the directors, board of directors are allowed to participate. They are not the owners, they are only the creditors. They are only the lenders of money जिन्होंने उधार दिया है कंपनी को. Right? Nothing more than that. I am removing them who are not on the screen. So I have removed 4 students. No problem. If your camera will be off, I will remove you immediately. Take it for granted. And be in dress when you are in the class. From tomorrow, if anybody comes in casuals, I will deduct your marks also. Don't worry. You are not sitting in some function or party. Sahiba, any other point? So many are explained just now. Those who are not answering, they are losing marks. Bilal, any other point? As I said, there is no loss of control for the firm. Firm को कोई भी control lose नहीं करना पड़ता. The owners of the firm, they do not have to dilute. इसको कहते हैं dilution of control. The control still lies in the hands of the owners. It is not transferred to debenture holders. जबकि जब firm शेयर्स इशू करती है, इक्विटी शेयर्स और प्रीफरेंस शेयर्स, नॉर्मली इक्विटी शेयर्स जब फर्म इशू करती है, देन द शेयर होल्डर्स बिकम द ओनर ऑफ द फर्म. शेयर होल्डर्स, जितना भी आपका कंपनी में शेयर होगा उतने के आप मालिक होते हैं. You are the owner of the company in proportion to the number of shares you hold. Shareholders are the owners of the firm. Shareholders have voting right. Shareholders take important decisions about the firm's, business के बारे में, day to day activities के बारे में, important policy making, decision making में they take part. They are the owners. Difference between debenture holder and shareholders is given in the book. Already I have explained it. So shareholders are the owners. Debenture holders are not the owners of the firm. Tax benefit मिलता है इसमें. It is suitable for safe investors. आसानी से इसमें इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. There is flexibility. There is flexibility in this. Debentures can be redeemed. Redeemed means they are repaid by the company. Whereas share capital, the share capital is not redeemable. Only at the time of winding up of the firm or the company, the amount is paid back. Amount is paid back. Now demerits. Yeah, Arjun, can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Demerits of debentures. See, whenever company issues debentures, company has to pay interest on it. It is an obligation. Payment of interest to debenture holders is an obligation. Obligation means firm has to pay it. Firm has to pay it whether the firm is in profit or loss. Whether the firm is earning profits or there is a loss. Even in the case of loss to the firm, it has to pay debenture interest because it is a loan for the firm and the firm needs to pay it. It is obligatory for them. Obligatory का मतलब है compulsory. Legally it is binding on them. It is binding on them that they have to pay it because loan का जो interest है that is a binding on the debt taker because it should not affect the debenture holder. It should not affect, even if the firm is in loss, the payment has to be made of the interest. So interest payment on debenture is an obligation and it is must. It is to be paid by all means. Number two, impact जो आपकी credibility पे पड़ता है वो गलत पड़ता है. Your goodwill, your reputation, credit worthiness, it decreases. आपके credibility जो है it loses its weight. लोग ये समझते हैं कि आप जो है बहुत उधार लेते हैं. The company is dependent more on outside borrowed funds rather than owner's fund. So it is not a good sign for the firm. Charge on assets. Whenever loans are taken from banks or other financial institutions or debentures are issued, there is a charge on asset. Some assets are held as security. $10 लाख का अगर आपने लोन लिया है, so you will be required to give some security that can be in the form of land, building, some plant and machinery, right? So it is a charge on asset. Some asset is mortgaged. Some asset is mortgaged for the amount of loan. So उससे जो है कंपनी की रेपुटेशन पे और असर पड़ता है एंड उनकी असेट जो है वो एक तरीके से गिरवी हो जाती है, वहां पर गिरवी रख दी जाती है, राइट? यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड द पॉइंट. कोई भी लोन वगैरह लेने के लिए यू हैव टू गिव सम सिक्योरिटी एंड दैट सिक्योरिटी is in the form of assets. Also, the demerit is that the debenture holders do not get any voting right. From the company's point of view, it is a plus merit. From the debenture holders' point of view, it is a minus. We will do only this topic today. Debentures. इसके बारे में और कुछ पूछना पूछिए. It is a borrowed fund, long-term borrowing, long-term loan, you can say, from outside the business. It is other than owner's fund. Can anyone tell me owner's fund में कौन-कौन से हैं sources? Can anybody tell me owner's fund? Ishika, owner's fund, what are the sources of owner's fund? Ishika Sharma. Bilal, what are the sources of owner's fund? We have read all the sources of owner's fund. Who else is seen? Arjun.
Yes, sir.
Sources of owner's fund. Can you name some?
So sources of owner's fund is equity, debt, debentures,
Equity shares, preference shares,
debt,
No.
Sir, partner's capital.
retained earning,
We have already read about these. It means you are not listening properly, watching videos. Priya, any other source of finance? Owner's fund. Owner's fund. Equity share capital, preference share capital, retained earning, and anything else? Anybody? No. These are the
Sir,
source.
capital resource of
Which one?
capital as a resource of finance.
Which one? Again, Ansika.
Capital as a resource of finance.
Capital. That capital means here share capital. Okay. Equity share capital and preference share capital. They are the sources of owner's fund. I told you, no, the capital raised by share capital or equity or preference, the money raised by these is invested in the business and for the expansion and growth, and the shareholders are the owners of the firm. Shareholders are the owners of the firm. Okay, so whatever money is invested by the shareholders, that remains in the business, that is owner's fund, means that is business own money. Similarly, retained earning or earning which is kept aside out of profit for future use, that is also our own money. So you go through the topic about their merits and demerits. In the exams, question can be asked, which one is better, retained earning or public deposit? Which one is better, equity shares or debentures? What is the difference between the two? What are the merits? What are the demerits? Why we should choose debenture over retained earning, or why retained earning is a better source of finance than debentures or bonds or equity shares? So these must be answered by giving their merits and demerits, according to the question. Okay, so I hope all of you are doing your work. Your notebooks are checked. On 5th of December, you will collect your notebook and your answer sheets signed. Also, abhi bhi nahi hua hai to submit it and get it checked, and get your admit card ID after depositing your fees up to this December. Then only you will be given your ID, so that you can appear for the exam. Any doubt, any questions from anybody? Inform other students about the same and join tomorrow same time. Thank you. God bless all of you.